It's already done.
And now we can go to the patisserie.
Wonderful, let's go.
Children, where are you going? Won't you guys help with the garden?
Our job here is done. Look, we did the landscape work. We're going to the patisserie to eat ourselves some moss puff.
I was talking about the backyard over there.
Oh no, the backyard! Help us!
You know, this garden's for all of us. All the students take turns cleaning. And today it's your turn. Come on, don't let the class down.
We won't be done with any of this until the next Moss Puff season.
I think we should cry for help and swim away. Now help! There's a messy school garden here, help!
We're not different from any other students, Chupa. If they're cleaning the garden, we will too.
But today is the Moss Puff Day.
A moss machine! Look what we have here!
We can totally cut down all the moss with this.
I think I should do it, you guys. Machines are my thing.
I'm here for you, Babu. I'll help you.
I got you guys!
My fins are so tired from all this work.
It worked, though. We've cleaned out all the mosses.
What about the trees right there?
And the ball stuck in the tree?
Huh?
All right, then. I will handle the balls.
Adventurous Fins, Adventurous